Now let's start with chapter 3 in the first section of the book. The chapter is titled Forces and Movement. In the introduction, it says, "The way an object moves depends upon its mass and the resultant force acting upon it, because big masses and small masses move in different ways. For instance, the aircraft in the picture has only a short distance to travel before taking off. The aircraft needs a large, unbalanced force to take off. The forces acting on it are the thrust force, applied by the engine to be able to move forward. Also, we have two forces opposing the movement of the aircraft, which are the air resistance and friction. Here the thrust should be larger than the friction force and the air resistance to be able to move. The thrust, friction force, and air resistance are unbalanced forces. The unbalanced forces cause acceleration. Now, as for the landing, the aircraft should decelerate. In this case, they use other ways to reduce its speed, like the parachute in the landing, and the friction and air resistance should be larger than the thrust force. The friction and air resistance oppose the motion. Air resistance increases when the parachute is open. So in this chapter, we will find out how forces affect the way an object will move, particularly in the context of car safety.